You didn't think that I would leave you hanging, did you? We molded these, and I told you leave them overnight and then unmold them the next day. So how do you know if it worked or not? Well, you're going to see right now. All right, let's take a look at the big egg that we did. So just gently pull your silicone off of the sides of it. You can see that it's releasing pretty decently. You just want to be really careful. Turn it over. Just kind of pull away from the side and let it fall out onto your hand, really. And there we have a beautiful egg made in a silicone mold. It does have a flat top, so that's my fault for just sitting it on a flat, hard surface to let it dry in the mold. Do what you guys normally do to prevent flat surfaces when you have a round object. So there it is. There's your egg. You can use silicone molds. Put that right back in there. What about these little guys? I already popped 2 of them out. So let's see if we can get the other ones out. Just turn it over and gently, well, before you turn it over, gently kind of pull away from the sides a little bit. Don't be rough with it, because you absolutely can break off pieces of the sides. You know, we took a lot of time around the edges to make sure that we got those all filled in pretty good. So the last thing we want to do now is just hurry quick out of impatience, just try to rip it on out of there. So turn it over and just give it a little pull, a little push. You really have to take your time with these so you don't break them. Actually, I'm going to turn this back over and do it the other way. I'm going to push up instead of trying to push down, because then I can just grab it with my fingers and get it out of here. It just takes a little bit more time, that's all. And here's your bunny. Let it focus. It's really blurry. I don't know why it's not focusing. Okay, well, anyways, there's the bunny. That's the female bunny. Let's pop up her counterpart here with the bow on. And here's her little partner, little Mr. Bunny. Oh, he's focusing nicely. Let's put Mrs. next to him now that he's focusing good. Try to get them to both focus. There you go, you guys. Little bath bombs made using a silicone mold. And we just leave them in overnight. That's all. Okay, I hope this has been helpful to you guys. Let me get him back out of here. Put him there. Put our little bunnies here. So there you go. We've got some bath bombs made using silicone molds. I hope you guys found some of the information helpful or useful. If you do try any of these methods, let me know how it goes for you guys, okay? And if you need any help, I'm always available. You guys just reach out to me and I'll help you as best I can, okay? All right, that's it for today. Take care.